Birds flying during the solar eclipse.
Yeah, you need to use it with test.
This is what it looks like. It's getting dark everywhere. There's like a shadow being cast. And now I'm gonna put this on and look at the sun. Oh wow. It's almost done. Look how dark it is. So we're in the middle of the day. Wow, this is the middle of the day. That is crazy. Can I see your glasses first? Wow.
We're screaming.
Wow, beautiful.
Look, you can look at it without the glasses.
Beautiful.
Look at it.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Wait, now?
That is beautiful. Yeah, Maya, look.